We are pleased to show you the 2017 Frontier. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 4.0-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.